We are going to do some bargain buying of stocks with Mark Sebastian of Option Pit Mentoring. And stocks, some of them are really on sale here because the stock market has been taking a dive.
Yeah, we're back to the 2018 highs. So we've given away an entire year of gains. And I look and I see some names that I really like that are now at levels that I did not think I was going to see again.
Let's get to that list.
So let's start with Disney. Disney, yes, the parks are going to have some problems, but let's not forget where all the growth is. The growth is Disney Plus, the movies, things like that. And the movies are really growth toward Disney Plus. Frozen 2 is going to hit Disney Plus. I think that Disney is now below where it was when they announced the launch of that Disney Plus service. It's around 110 bucks. I think it's going to, once things calm down, go right back to 150 bucks. It looks like a steal.
And you would take Disney over Netflix per se?
Absolutely. Disney is getting discounted because of their coronavirus exposure. Netflix doesn't necessarily have that exposure. Disney, I think, is going to outperform Netflix over the next 5 years anyway. And
you like some of the exchanges, full disclosure. We work with the exchanges, but you are on your own. So what do you think?
I like SIBO and CME. SIBO in particular. SIBO owns the VIX product and SPX. Both are seeing huge volumes and are actually down since this whole thing started. I like SIBO, CME, which owns the ES, the S&P futures, and it owns treasuries. That's another one that I think is cheap.
You can actually hear the VIX pit, the traders in the pit as we're standing here. There's a lot of activity going on. All right, one other name I want to talk about, Tesla. This is a stock a lot of people want to buy, but it's so high, Mark. What do you think?
It is. Eventually, if we keep going lower, even the names that are doing well are going to get sold, like Tesla. I like that when it gets back to its funding secured level of $420. I'll start to look and see if there's a long setup there. Near 700, I think fundamentally and from an exposure standpoint in terms of which direction it could go, I think there's way too much downside risk in Tesla to go in and get in long.
Nobody knows for sure, but any thoughts on when we find a bottom or at least less volatility in this market?
Yeah, at a certain point, markets get kind of volatility fatigued, and it feels like we're starting to see some of that. We could see new lows in the S&P, but I think the VIX probably saw its high last week, so I don't know that we're going to continue to see 100-point days in the S&P 500, 1,000-point days in the Dow. Things will calm down. When I'll feel like we're hitting a bottom when we touch new lows, but it's not on a 1,000-point sell-off. It's on several consecutive kind of smaller sell-offs. That's what I'm going to be looking for finding a bottom in the market.
Really great to have you here. Thanks so much.
Thanks for having me.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.